The most magical product in the whole world is our Power Patches. They are unreal. I could not live without them. So the main ingredient in our Power Patch is hydrocolloid. That's going to help to absorb excess fluid, oil, and pus. And it's also going to help to create a sterile, clean environment for your pimple to heal. So you're not going to add additional bacteria into the skin. We also added vitamin A. Vitamin A is going to help to reduce the sebum production in that specific spot that you put the patch. We also added clove oil, and clove oil helps to fight off the acne bacteria and help to reduce any redness or swelling. And last, we added salicylic acid. That's going to go beneath the skin surface and dissolve whatever is clogging that pore. Another reason I love the Power Patch is because it helps with healing and scarring. So you're not going to pick at it. It's going to help it to heal exactly the way it should and pretty much completely disappear. I prefer to use them at night just so I can wake up with a less noticeable zit, but you can use them throughout the day. You can use them whenever you want. I, at night, will wash my face, tone, and then I put it directly on whatever spot I'm trying to fix. So I'm going to put this one right there. So you would cleanse, tone, put on your Power Patch, and then continue to put the rest of your products on your face, but just avoid this area. And then when you wake up, you take it off and it has taken out all of that gunk, gross stuff, and it's almost flush with the skin, not raised, less red. They are amazing, and if you ever get zits or pimples or whatever, you need these. They are a must.